Want to be a Crorepati without lottery luck, crypto superstition, or risky showboating? What if I told you that about 3,000 Indian rupees a month, yes, pocket change for many, invested smartly can grow into 1 Indian rupee crore over time? Stay till the end and I'll show you exactly how, with real numbers. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's the easiest, most disciplined way to invest in mutual funds, typically equity mutual funds. Instead of trying to time the market, you put a fixed amount regularly, usually monthly. Think of it as automated habit building. Set it, forget it, and let compounding whisper miracles. Markets dance. If you step in with one big foot at the wrong beat, you'll trip. SIPs are the slow, steady waltz. You enter at many beats. This gives you 2 superpowers: rupee cost averaging and compounding. Rupee cost averaging. When the market drops, your fixed SIP buys more units. When it rises, you buy fewer. Over time, the average cost per unit becomes smoother. You avoid buying only at peaks. Compounding is earning returns on returns. You don't need big sums, you need time. Einstein allegedly called compounding the 8th wonder of the world. He might not have been humble about it. I computed how much monthly SIP you need to reach rupees 10 million at different annual return rates and different time horizons. I used exact monthly compounding math. Here are the cleaned results, rounded to nearest rupee. Target, rupees 10 million. Rates shown as annual returns: 8%, 12%, 15%, realistic conservative/moderate/aggressive equity returns over long term. Interpretation/punchline. If you can earn about 12% annually, which is a realistic long-term equity return assumption for many markets, investing 2,861 Indian rupees per month for 30 years can grow to 1 Indian rupee crore. That's the famous small SIP big dream result. If you start later or want faster results, you need larger SIPs. See that? Over long time, your invested capital is only a fraction of the final corpus. Compounding does the heavy lifting. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Equity mutual funds held greater than 1 year, long-term capital gains, LTCG. Tax applies in India. Gains over 1 Indian rupee lakh/year taxed at 10% without indexation. Check current rules. Debt funds, different LTCG rules, higher tax. Expense ratio exit loads can drag returns. Pick funds with reasonable expense ratios. Dividends. Dividend option is taxed differently, growth option is simple for compounding. Start with your goal. If you're 30 and want 1 Indian rupee crore in 30 years, a SIP of 2,861 Indian rupees at 12% PA might do it. If you're 40 and want the same in 20 years, expect to put in about 10,109 Indian rupees monthly. The numbers change with time and return, but the principle stands. Start early, stay disciplined, and let compounding sing.